Rock and roll. Here's what we do on Sunday night. You get loud and proud from the crack of the latch to the final whistle. She charges one to the right. That means two more in the left-hand direction. Right there, she will change leads, swap hands, and make that second turn. Her third and final turn. Wainwright, then it becomes your turn. Machine flat fly. We start the Texas Cloverleaf to that right-hand barrel. We're a touch wide coming out. Is that going to cost us? Is this Gray got a no? Man. You talk about being wide on that first barrel. That first barrel sets up the entire run. Time for a little Alberta talent. Did it right? Yes. Charge out of that second turn. Keep that horse standing. You watch as she will drive that horse past that barrel and then turn back on a dime. And now you got to run, run, run. This is Cranor Roberts, Lacombe, Alberta. Canadian Finals Rodeo Equine Therapist is making her charge. Battle for the buckles. Nice turn, yes. We need one more just like it. Louder you cheer, faster she goes. That's a horse called Jill. The last 4 or 5 years, no lady has won more semi-professional titles than the former Ponoka Stampede Miss Rodeo Canada. Get around 2, you got to make it 3. Let's do it, yes, come on, scream at her. Kinsey, Riley's got to run, run, run. Another one of the most qualified and sought-after horse trainers in our game. She is going to bump that barrel. The hopes of an event title go out the window just that fast. She ain't going to take anything home but what you're going to give her right now. If you could please show a little love to that lovely lady. Canadian title, this is Tara Muldoon from Hinton, Alberta. She's got 2. Let's make it 3. Loud and proud. We're going to need you. Run as she got it. She landing ham, bucking horse rider. Yes. Yeah. Hey, you know it when you see it. You don't got to wait for the numbers when we put him safe and sound on the ground, courtesy of our Ram Rodeo pickup man. I want you to start it off right in the sunshine. Say something to the Mucho Dinero Triag Implements. Yeah, come on. That is a superstar Wayne bucking horse right there, and that is a 2-time Canadian champion that had everything he could handle. Everything that he could handle. Let's do it! Whoop, 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 whoop. Well, that little Neutral Hills is going to have a little different trip today. She's going to say, man, it's a big crowd out there. That'll happen every once in a while. Back horse of the year. Watch this. That's what it's all about. You talk about a superstar bucking horse and a superstar bucking horse rider. Caleb Bennett, when we put him down, when he can make it happen. Watch those feet. Yes. That dude is a superstar, and I mean every word of it, as our Ram Rodeo pickup man will safely sit him on the arena up with a perennial favorite. This is a horse called Buckwheat. That big, beautiful buckskin is a Canadian Finals Rodeo bucking horse, like the man on his back. They don't make him any ready to nod his head as one of the greatest in the world. Watch this. That man that they're about to set down holds an event record. He has won 24 rounds, 24 first place finishes at the Wrangler National Finals. Prevailed. This is the time. That is about 1,300 pounds of bucking horse that'll rearrange your dentures. That dude says, hey, dust him off, help him out a little. Can live and riding bucking horses. Set 'em, let's go. Yes. You cannot spur 'em much better, and there's maybe no man. Little underhead tonight, pound for pound, that is stronger than that dude. Dusty LaValle. This is the great Centennial. Seth Hardwick came into today with a fighting chance. With an absolute fighting chance, the Wrangler Champions Challenge. Mark out rule, and then let's roll. Oh, that big horse threw absolutely all the power at him. Absolutely all the power at him. My, oh my. George Gillespie, that dude right there, says, make it ears. We apologize as Scott Meeks is trying to take home his title, and it's all about three-head in the tie-down open competition right now. Scott Meeks, not the way he wanted to start, but he's going to finish 13-1. 13.1 in the 61st annual Wainwright Stampede. Running and reaching. Come on, let's do it to it, Al. Bouchard will string one, stack two, wrap threes. Done, done, done. Today. That would work and that would help. Here we go. Wrap and tie, 13-5. 90% of the equation. It's about good horse the color to the running and the races. Shoot from the hip. Now we got to get things gathered. No good, no time. International Finals Rodeo qualifier, and he's got a runner. Reach and do it right. Leave that calf stand, and now you got to finish. String one, stack two, wrap three, you're done. 9.5. Great campaign, and he wants to have another. That is a tough to rope calf. Come on, Mace, let's do it. Stay with him, help the young gun, yeah. Opening all around. Running calf. Talk about try watch this big athletic dude. String, stack, and wrap one. He is done. He is one of the nicest gentlemen in our game. Has got a red runner. Nice set. Let's finish. Get behind one of the greats from Alberta. Come on, Randy. We're with you. Yes. That's what it's about. Can he be that fast? Did he break it? Oh, sorry. He's got to finish. String them, stack them, wrap them. Hands are in the air. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. 29.5. Yeah, buddy. That was a nice bronc ride. Nice bucking horse from a world-class. Quitting time. Yes, Wyatt. What a nice bronc and what a nice bronc ride. You put it together and it works just right every time. You put a world-class and got it figured out. Come on, Sam. He is tapped. That is a classy bronc rider right there. Is a father and son combination. Those are two of the greatest cowboys able to snap up just like that. Let's go. That is a snappy bucking horse and a respectable bronc ride for the man from Graybull, Wyoming, Caleb Acey. That a boy. Go ahead. That dude has been sored up the last 2 or 3 weeks. He is riding through the pain. That's what cowboys do. Rider counts towards the world and Canadian standings. That dude is dialed in. Tyler Corrington has been riding broncs so good as of late as Terry Leader will move on into position and set him safely to the ground. That is the number 10 horses from top to bottom, start to finish. Come on, oh Dempsey. Don't you quit, let's go. Oh, ain't she pretty? Ain't she pretty? And he rode right. Marco Dempsey. Yes, come on, Chet. That Pedro bucking horse is so awesome. I don't like your get off. First round of competition. Kyle Thompson, let's do it right.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Kyle Thompson, a big strong rancher from Lundbrook, Alberta. You talk numbers, he comes in as the number one. But by virtue of their fast run times, they get back to battle for the buckles. They knew they had to be fast and get ready to rock and roll. Tough steer, double down, do what you do, yeah! That is a clean run to the up-and-coming team ropers of our game. Get around. What did he find? +5. This is their cousin. This is their cousin Clark on the Heelan side. Cole Bevins, do what you do best. Hey, double down, roping 2 feet. No. Gonna keep Canadian Finals Rodeo qualifiers. Running and roping, Kent Fawcett, yeah. Number 14 coming back into today. 3 in a row for the big man on the head side. Jacob Scott's going to rear back, come tight, clean run. Is Matt's son Caleb. He's about 5 years old and took him from Dad. Get around. That is veteran savvy right there. Travis Galley is a 13-time CFR qualifier and a 3-time Canadian champion. Come on, Squig, do it to it, come tight. No, man. We slipped one out the backhand. Levi Simpson's a Canadian champion. Ryan Tennell from Pueblo, Colorado. I spoke too soon. Number 2, Cowboy. Okay, Scott Meeks. Let's make this work. Tie him right, tie him tight. Arms and hands are in the air. We stop the clock. There's a guy from Clyde, Texas, the picture of consistency. Go ahead, yes. That big rancher from Lundbrook, Alberta is in the zone. That many-time Canadian champion. Many-time Canadian champion's been doing things right. He comes as the defending champion and a Canadian title holder. Yes, he did. Tanner Mylett. There we are, 5 and 6. International Finals Rodeo. There in his example of put the pressure on him. Now 4.3. Here we run, here we gun, bring him round. He went to hit it to pick up some time. Professional rodeo than any other time of the year. Josh, no. See that move, make that run. Come on, Kurt, do it. Yep. Time and time again, he has made great runs. Title, that is what everybody wants. That is what everybody wants. There's a big run. 5.8 is what we're going to. They've got to score sharp. They've got to go when you want them to go. Let's go, Morgan. That is a dog falling steer. He fell the wrong way. He's got to get him regathered, get him back up. Can you say something to Morgan Grant? Got a little over 5 seconds. Watch this. Oh, he's going to get away from him. Make the move. 5.8 on a World Horse of the Year. Lee Graves, what? Lady watching him ride. There's the nod. Now we're going to get you out. Your head, grit your teeth. That little dude right there, talk about waiting for. He's ready. Get around there. We'll get you right. Come on, buddy. Hustle. Get out. Join us for the very first time this season on Canadian soil. That big black. There's a look at it. Come on, Roundy. Yes. Come on, don't let him ride alone. That dude is the real deal. That dude is the real deal. That black bronco-faced, goggle-eyed dude that they call cows on the big ranch. Yeah. He's going to get him. Hustle. Hustle. It's all about the official stopwatch and that Blackhorn dude.
Your 2014 Battle for the Buckles Championship. Making the presentation is Terry Sharp from Sharp Underground and Daryl Atkinson from A1 Reynolds as your Ladies Barrel Racing Champion, Brady. Bareback.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's a living legend in our sport. A four-time world champion is the 2014 Wainwright Stampede champion. He is the one and only Mr. Bobby Mote. Buckle to this year's champion. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Cale Como. Only won the first go-round of competition. He is a four-time Canadian champion and this year's saddle bronc riding winner, the one and only Mr. Kyle Thompson. Our team roping champions. The veteran makes the stand on the head side with the young gun on the back end of the competition. Your 2014 team roping champions, Doug Wilkinson and Jacob Scott. Last year we presented a title to this very man. He's a Canadian champion and he came into today's round in the number 10 spot. With the fastest run of the entire rodeo here today, he prevailed as a champion. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2014 steer wrestling champion is Tanner Milan.
Wainwright Lumber, Dave and Curtis.
I'm telling Kindersley, Saskatchewan, tonight's champion is Dakota Butter.